So we got a huge oak tree, a rope, and a tractor. What could possibly go wrong? Well, I'd say about 50-50 chance we wipe out this gazebo. We don't really care about that gazebo. There's not a pool there anymore. I guess we'll see what happens. Time for me to man my battle station. I'm going to try to film and drive at the same time. With surgical precision, he didn't even touch the deck. It's better to be lucky than good. These are some of those trees that I had limbed down with the bucket truck in fall. I got a whole video on that on my channel. I'll link to it down below. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more logging, sawmill, millwork, all kinds of crazy stuff here.